Welcome back to another episode of your review channel. And yes, DJI Mini 2 doing an unboxing review. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. Hey, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, I'm doing another unboxing on an awesome drone. The first drone I did was, if you didn't see that video, it was the Ascend ASC 2400. Check that out down below. I'll leave a link for that drone. It's a really cool beginner's drone, $50. Awesome. But I wanted to get to the next level, and I really like drones. Something new for me. So this is a drone by DJI. It's the Mini 2. Awesome drone. Comes with the bundle. There's a bundle pack here. Comes with the extra battery. Comes with the case. Ultralight, 249 grams. So it's legal to fly pretty much most countries. But definitely check your local country. Make sure it is legal. It is legal here in the United States. And this is a bundle. So what this is here is a 249 gram ultralight, foldable, compact drone. 31 minutes of fly time. Does 10-kilometer range, which is pretty far. We won't even see the drone, so 10 kilometers is really far. Ultra clear 4K camera, which is really important. I mean, that's like in 5 level of wind resistance, so level 5 wind resistance. I'm not really sure what that means. Again, I am new with droning, so please don't hate me. I'm just learning, and I just wanted to do an unboxing to show you what it looks like when you receive this. Intelligent also has intelligent modes and quick shots, so you can do 4K video, which is really awesome, which I really love. The other camera was horrible. If you saw the video, you saw it was awful. It was 720. It was awful. I think the frame rate, I don't know if the frame rate might have been 30, I don't know, 20, whatever it was terrible. So that was horrible. But this here is 4K. Awesome, and that's what I was looking for. And this is the bundle, so let's do the unboxing and take a look at the camera. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions or any comments, leave down below, and let me know what kind of drone you fly, and let me know in comments below if you like flying drones, because like I said, I'm really new with this, so I'm just starting out, and I just wanted to continue growing with my drones, and I think it's kind of cool. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so let's get into opening up the drone and see what's in the package here. What's cool about this, like I said, is the 4K camera is really nice. I like that as well. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. Like I said, 31-minute flight time. It's got a 4x digital zoom with quick modes and all this stuff. Extra battery, 32 gig SD micro card included, all that kind of stuff, which is all important, especially when you want to fly. I mean, basically the bottom line is, like, you just want to fly, right? And that's the cool part about droning, that you want to get it and dry. So let's see what's in the box here. Let's see how they package it. And there's a lot of these unboxings online as well, but I'm really new at droning, so I want to do it myself and have the experience. So let's just pull it out of the package here and see what we have. So the box is empty. Oh, here you go. And I'll just put this to the back here, like this. So here it is right here. Let me just get a better shot of that for you. Let me put the extra light on so you can see better. And let's see everything that's included in the package. So it comes in a nice small case, which I do like. It's not huge, so this is great for traveling. It's got a nice little strap. Let me take this off. It's a little piece of paper here that's holding the strap down. Let's get rid of that. Back in the box. Let's get rid of that. So cool strap. What's in here? This is a little looks like a little tag or something. I don't know. Looks like a tag for the bag. I don't know. Let's put that back in there. That's really nothing in there. Here is the drone in here, so you can see it's in a little plastic see-through case, so you can see the drone. Some people were complaining about it not protection, but honestly, I think if you're traveling, I think it should be fine. For my first impression, this is my first time getting more of a semi-professional drone, I would call this. I think, it's right up there. Wicked small. Oh my god. I tell you, and the reviews don't do it justice, I have to tell you. This is really tiny, and I mean tiny. Let me get my ruler. I want you to see, because a lot of people don't. It's very difficult to see comparison. Okay, here's the ruler. Okay, this thing here is approximately 5 inches across. Okay, that's 5.5 inches across, just so you know, and 2.5 inches across this way. This thing is tiny, and thickness is 2 inches. So this thing is very small. Palm of my hand. Here you go. So let's take a look at it here. So you always unfold it. It tells you here. So you get the one. Okay, so you unfold it this way, and I love the way it unfolds. Okay, it's nice. It's got a nice smooth. You can tell the build is really good on this. So you can really tell. Also has the gimbal protector. You see that? You have to take that off before you fly it. Come on, let's go. And these flip. Okay, so I didn't realize that. I thought they were just open. So these flip. Just so you know, again, this is my first time having a drone of this quality. So these flip out. So when you put it away, you put this back in like this here. Okay, and then these fold backwards. And again, this is my first time, and whoa, piece of paper. All right, whatever that is, that's nothing. Okay, so that flies backwards. So again, flip out, and these push back. Okay, So now we're all clear. Again, this is my first time having this type of drone, and that's my first time. Okay, cool. So let's take this off here. This protects the camera. So let's pull this off, the gimbal. Let's take that off. Okay, take that off. Take a look at that. And here's the camera under here. So let's open that up. This comes right up. This snaps right off. That's good. When you travel, you should really protect that, because this is, very sensitive. So you want to make sure you take that off and keep that on, whatever you want to do. But I'll leave it on for now. Continuing the unboxing. Let me just snap that back in here. Cool. All right, so here it is right here. So you can see this thing is super small. So let's put that down. Let's see what else we have in the package here. And just like all the other videos I saw, there's nothing in here, but this is storage. Okay. And back here is the remote control. Okay. So let's take that out. Again, this is my first time dealing with this type of quality. This is the next level quality. Going up to the, I would say, the professional, semi-professional with drones. USB-C charger, silicone, gel, manuals. Okay, so we have the manual in here. Okay, so the quick start guide. Some more information, the booklet here. That's very hard to see, and it's very small, so that's great. And also here is the QR code where you scan, they download the software, register your drone, and you have to do that before you fly. And that's all in there. Let's take a look at the controller. I'll tell you, it's beefy. This is heavy. Now this, I mean, it's not huge, but it's beefy. So it's definitely a good quality build compared to the cheap $50 one I had last time. If you didn't see that video, please do. I think it was a great drone for $50. But I wanted to get to the next level. Let's take a feel of the quality of this. This is for the phone. Okay, this pops up here, I believe. Yep, that should fit pretty much any phone, which is really cool. Okay, take a look at that. There's the battery. So there, it's 3/4 charged. Okay, that's what that says. So we'll have to just give that a quick full charge that up. Here are the joysticks on the bottom here. So these joysticks here, you just screw these in like that there. And that's fairly easy. That's kind of nice. It's compact. It makes it small and portable. And I like the feel of the joysticks, just so you know. Yeah, I do like the feel of these. Kind of cool. I do like that. I don't know what any of these things do. This is take photos. Here, there's a camera and a record button on top of here. I guess that's taking photos. Again, this is my first time. I'm not sure what this is about. We'll have to check that out. Let's see here. Return to home, which is kind of cool. I saw that online. Normal, sport. So different modes here. You get cinematography, which is more goes slower. The drone. It's more that really smooth kind of really cinematic view. So that's what that's for. I have normal, which is normal, and then you have sport for fast. So the drone acts quicker. It's more responsive and all that kind of stuff. So that's what that does. And also, just to let you know, it does come with different adapters for Android phones as well, and also it does have the Apple lightning cable already here installed, so you can hook this up right to your phone here. Okay, that's what transmits information from the drone right to your phone with the software, and this is adjustable. So I would say it pretty much fits any phone. This is a nice design. I like that. So that's already included. It's already in the bottom here, just so you know. It's already attached. So they are definitely towards the Apple friendly more so to get started with, and so I just wanted to show you that as well. And also, when you turn the power on, one is check the battery level like that. If you want to turn it on, you hit it twice. Once, twice. It beeps up. There you go. So now it's blinking, telling you it's 3/4 power. It is on and activated. I'm gonna shut it down. Hit it twice again. Once, twice. And it goes right down. And that's how you power it up and power it down. The same thing for the drone. Hit it twice to power it up. Hit it pipe twice to power it down. And that's really a great design. I love it. Really simple. And I like this design of this controller. It's actually a nice feel to it. Not a lot to it, but honestly, it feels really good in the hands. And that's not too big either as well. Let me just give you a quick measurement of this controller, just so we know what we're talking about here. So this is approximately 6 inches across and 4 inches. So 6x4, so not too big, not too small. I think men and women will really enjoy the feel of the controller. And I like the back is like a rubber grip behind it, so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Nice design, really well thought out. I like this quite a bit, really nice. And let's see what else. I know it should have extra battery pack. I think it's in here. What's this here? This is a little piece of foam. And in here is the extra battery. Come on, get out. Let's go. like the case though. The case is really super nice. And here is the extra battery. You probably won't need it. Actually, you get about 25 to 30 minutes in these for runtime. And everything's in here. You can see extra cables are in here, extra propellers if you need them. The screwdriver itself to change it, which is cool on the fly. Propellers and extra screws and extra battery. So that is all in the kit as well. So let's just take a look at the back here. And let's take this piece off in the back. And if you guys have any questions or any comments at all, please leave down below. Again, this is my first time having definitely the next level up, which is really cool. So in here is the micro SD card. You can see in here 32 gigs. Yep, 32 gigs in here. USB-C, and the battery should be installed, which it is. Just be careful. This is a little not flimsy, but it is plasticky. I'm just afraid this door is going to break. So you probably don't access the door too much, so that's fine. And the battery comes in and comes out, so it does have the battery. Let's put that back in. Probably won't do too much with that. And let's check the battery level on this thing. Okay. Okay, battery is stone dead. Sometimes they come charged, so this needs to be fully charged. This has a little bit of a charge in it. So my first impressions, okay, very, very cool. All right, I like the build of look. I like the quality. It's definitely nice. Definitely going to give you some from what I understand here, this is going to be fantastic. It's got a couple sensors on the bottom here. So what this gives you GPS coordinates. It kind of measures the ground, so when it lands, it doesn't have the obstacle avoidance, so it does not have that. The next one up, the S version, the Mini 2 S, does have, I think that's the only thing I noticed really different. It does shoot, I think, 5K, 5.4K, something like that. Honestly, I don't know. I don't think it makes a difference when you get to, when you're shooting stuff online, 5K, 4K. I don't think anybody's really counting the pixels, to be honest with you.
And also, it's $1,000 for that drone. It's very expensive. This is only $500. So basically, you can fly this drone, you can break this drone, you can lose the drone, buy another drone, and it probably won't cost as much as buying the newest model as well. So honestly, I think this is fine. It's a great model. I love it so far.
That's just my opinion. It's up to you guys. All right, so this is what it comes with. I'm going to charge this all up. I gave you the measurements of the drone, and one more. I'll just give you the total measurements with the props running. So you got roughly, without the propellers extended, we have a total of width propellers 8 inches approximately there, and the back size is 6. So this is a very compact and small drone. All right, so I'm going to put this back. I'm going to have to charge all this up. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave down below. I'm going to charge up the drone. We're going to get it flying. So subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm out and about. I'm going to take this out and fly in a couple of days. I'm going to charge it up. Some nice weather's coming here, and I'm going to take this out and fly it. I'm going to get some footage. We're going to fly it around, and I think it's going to be cool. So this is what's included. I'm going to leave a link down below also where you can pick up something similar to this. They have all different bundles. I got this bundle at Costco. Also, you can go online and you just get the Mini 1. I think it's just a Mini, I'm not sure. And there's all kinds of drones. I'll leave a link down below in the Amazon affiliate link I have down below. That is, so I'm just being transparent. It is an affiliate link, and it does help support my channel. So if anything you buy on there, it does help support my channel, so I can continue doing these awesome unboxings and reviews for you. Okay, so this is where you charge the port for the controller. This is really heavy, and I don't know if you can change these batteries or not. If you can, let me know. Leave some comments down below if you can change these batteries if this thing dies. I'm not really sure. And I think it's supposed to have extra joysticks too, someone said. Okay, it does. So extra joysticks. So a little extra joysticks in case you break these. Hopefully these won't break. These are metal, so I can't see that breaking. Maybe they wear out, I'm not sure. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope it wasn't too long. I just wanted to bring this unboxing to you and just give you really the real facts of the size, what it looks like, and my first impression, and the quality of the build looks awesome. We got lights and everything, so I can't wait to get this powered up and rocking and rolling and see how it goes. Alright guys, and I'll see you at the next review. Don't forget the notification bell. You'll be notified when I'm out flying this drone, and we're going to check it out and see the footage and everything. That's really kind of cool. Alright guys, and I'll see you at the next review.